Ever struggled with chunky smoothies or messy meal prep? Today, I'm revealing the top 7 food processor blender combos that'll make cooking effortless and fun. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your kitchen, and you can grab them easily through the links in the description. At number 7 is NutriBullet Triple Prep System. Did you know most home blenders can't handle both smoothies and dough without multiple appliances? That's where the NutriBullet Triple Prep System shines. Imagine blending a creamy smoothie, whipping up nut milk, and chopping veggies, all on the same base, without clutter. The 64-ounce pitcher, single-serve cup, and 7-cup food processor make meal prep effortless. Tested for real-world comfort, its vessel recognition guides you instantly, so you never guess the settings. Compared to other top-rated combos, it's faster, quieter, and more precise, perfect for slicing, shredding, and kneading dough. Yes, it's slightly larger than some competitors, but the relief of having one versatile tool outweighs the extra counter space. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and durable, this is a smart, worry-free kitchen investment. If you crave convenience and precision in one machine, this is absolutely worth it. Who else loves multitasking gadgets like this? On number 6 is Braun TriForce Power Blender. Ever wonder why some blenders leave stubborn chunks no matter how long you blend? The Braun TriForce Power Blender might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Its unique triangular jug and 1,200-watt motor crush tough ingredients faster, giving silky smoothies or perfectly textured soups in seconds. With 3 eye texture control settings, smooth, medium, coarse, and 9 program options, it's like having a personal chef in your kitchen. Compared to other top-rated combos, it handles everything from crushing ice to chopping veggies with ease. Tested for real-world comfort, the control panel is simple to use and a breeze to clean. Yes, it's powerful, but the peace of mind knowing it won't overheat or falter makes it a smart choice. For anyone craving versatility and precision in one machine, this blender delivers. Curious how it stacks up against our first pick? Stick around. At number 5 is Ninja Blender. Ever struggled with a blender that just can't crush ice or frozen fruit without stalling? That frustration ends with the Ninja Blender. Its 1,600-watt motor and smart torque system power through tough ingredients effortlessly, making smoothies, nut butters, and even dough feel like a breeze. The XL Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extraction Cup let you extract every bit of flavor and nutrients, while the hybrid edge blades guarantee smooth textures every time. Compared to other top-rated combos, the Ninja handles both food processing and blending with unmatched versatility, shredding, slicing, chopping, even kneading dough. Yes, it's a bit larger on the counter, but tested for real-world comfort, cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts. If you want a blender that tackles everything without compromise, this one's a smart, peace-of-mind choice. Curious how it stacks against Braun or NutriBullet? Keep watching. At number 4 is Vitamix Professional Grade Blender. Ever wonder why some blenders struggle with thick nut butters or hot soups? The Vitamix Ascent X5 solves that effortlessly. Its 48-ounce container and laser-cut stainless steel blades power through the toughest ingredients, creating silky smoothies, creamy soups, or perfectly textured spreads every time. What sets it apart? 10 automatic blending programs plus intuitive variable speed controls give precision like no other. Tested for real-world comfort, the self-cleaning program makes cleanup nearly effortless, just add water and soap. Compared to other top-rated combos, Vitamix delivers unmatched consistency, while the tamper indicator ensures thicker blends never stall. Yes, it's an investment, but the peace of mind from a 10-year warranty and reliable professional-grade performance makes it worth it. If you want ultimate versatility and longevity in one machine, this blender is a smart choice. Curious how it stacks against Ninja or Braun? Keep watching. On number 3 is SANGCON 5-in-1 Blender. Ever wished one appliance could handle smoothies, juices, sauces, and even grinding nuts? The SANGCON 5-in-1 Blender might be your kitchen game changer. This all-in-one machine blends, chops, juices, and processes with interchangeable components, giving you versatility that most other combos can't match. Its safety-focused design, with stainless steel blades, motor overheating protection, and suction cups for stability, gives peace of mind while cooking. Tested for real-world comfort, the 4 containers and 3 blade types make everything from smoothies to minced meat or nut butter effortless. Cleanup is a breeze since almost all parts are dishwasher safe. Compared to larger, more expensive models like Vitamix or Ninja, SANGCON offers strong performance in a compact, budget-friendly package. If you want a versatile, safe, and easy-to-use multitasker for everyday kitchen tasks, this blender is worth considering. Curious how it stacks against NutriBullet? At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Food Processor. Did you know a bulky, hard-to-use food processor can double your prep time? The Hamilton Beach Food Processor changes that. With dual bowls, 14 cups for big batches and 4 cups for smaller tasks, it's designed to save both space and time. Tested for real-world comfort, the snap and stack assembly means no frustrating twisting or locking, and the big mouth feed chute fits whole tomatoes, onions, and potatoes with ease. Its versatile attachments handle slicing, shredding, chopping, pureeing, and even kneading dough, covering almost every kitchen task in one compact machine. Compared to other top-rated combos, Hamilton Beach is less intimidating on the counter but still powerful, making it ideal for everyday cooking. Dishwasher-safe parts and BPA-free materials give peace of mind, while the pour spout eliminates messy spills. If you want efficiency, reliability, and versatility without breaking the bank, this processor is a smart choice. Curious how it compares to SANGCON or NutriBullet? Keep watching. Now moving to the last one is FOHERE Meat Grinder. Ever spent hours struggling to prep meat, dough, or vegetables for a family meal? The FOHERE Meat Grinder turns that struggle into effortless kitchen efficiency. With a 12-cup large capacity bowl and extra wide chute, you can process big batches without pre-cutting, saving time and frustration. Variable speed settings and pulse control give you precise command, whether chopping, slicing, grating, or making creamy dips. Tested for real-world comfort, its multifunctional blades handle everything from meat to pasta, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup worry-free. Compared to other top-rated combos, FOHERE offers exceptional versatility at a budget-friendly price, while safety features like BPA-free materials and dual locking mechanisms give peace of mind. Yes, it's slightly larger than compact blenders like SANGCON, but the efficiency and reliability make it a smart choice for busy kitchens. Curious how it stacks against Hamilton Beach or Ninja? Keep watching. After comparing all top 7 food processor blender combo contenders, the Vitamix Professional Grade Blender stands out as the winner. Its powerful motor, precision controls, and consistent performance handle everything from soups and smoothies to nut butters and purees with unmatched smoothness. With self-cleaning, intuitive programs, and a 10-year warranty, it's a long-term kitchen investment that saves time and stress. You get professional-grade versatility, durability, and peace of mind, perfect for daily use and every recipe you love. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best food processor blender combo. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.